How are you guys? After watching this video, you will get a good boost up in your hacking journey or understanding what is Linux, how to use Linux and each and everything. And as you know, today is the 26th January. So, a very happy Republic Day to you and your family. And this video is only for educational purpose.
डिस्क्लेमर का माइक बूमर, आप लोग तो डिस्क्लेमर पढ़ते ही नहीं, तो डायरेक्ट कान में हेडफोन डाल दो, मेरा मतलब कान में हेडफोन डाल दो, हुई.
This video, I'll show you every Linux command you'll ever need. From simple commands like checking your IP address to advanced techniques for hacking Wi-Fi, you'll get it all. Let's jump in. NeoFetch is a command line utility that displays system information along with an optional logo or image in your terminal. It's often used to showcase your system setup or customize your terminal appearance. To add ASCII art of Will Smith slapping Chris Rock to your NeoFetch output, you first need to create or find ASCII art of that scene. Once you have the ASCII art, open the NeoFetch configuration file located at this path in your text editor. Look for the section labeled Image, and instead of setting an image path, replace the existing ASCII art with your custom art. Save the changes, and when you run NeoFetch in your terminal, it will display the ASCII art along with your system information. After setting our priorities straight, let's dive into the first tier of this video, the essential networking commands. These are the commands you'll use every day as a hacker, whether diagnosing issues or exploring your system. Let's start off simple. First, we have ifconfig, displays network interfaces and their configurations, allowing you to see details like IP addresses, subnet masks, and MAC addresses for each interface. Next, we have ping. This command tests network connectivity. It helps determine if a device is reachable and measures the round-trip time for messages sent. Then we have netstat. This command shows network statistics, including active connections, listening ports, and routing tables. It's useful for diagnosing network issues and monitoring network traffic. ARP, or the Address Resolution Protocol, command displays or modifies the ARP cache, which maps IP addresses to MAC addresses on your local network, helping facilitate communication between devices. Dig. This tool performs DNS queries, allowing you to look up information about a domain name, such as its associated IP address, mail servers, and other DNS records. Whois. Use this command to retrieve whois information for domain names, which includes details about the domain registrant, registration dates, and contact information. Host. This command performs DNS lookups, translating domain names into IP addresses and vice versa, helping you verify DNS configurations and troubleshoot issues. Traceroute. By displaying the route packets take to reach a destination, this command helps identify where network delays or failures occur, allowing you to diagnose connectivity issues. Route. This command shows or manipulates the IP routing table, helping you manage how packets are directed on your network and troubleshoot routing problems. SSH, or Secure Shell, allows you to securely connect to remote systems over an encrypted connection, enabling you to manage servers or devices securely. Nmap. This powerful network scanning tool performs port enumeration and service detection, allowing you to discover open ports and services running on devices in your network. TCP dump captures and analyzes network traffic in real time, providing detailed insights into the packets flowing through your network, which is essential for troubleshooting. Wireshark. A graphical packet capture and analysis tool, Wireshark allows you to visually analyze network traffic, making it easier to understand complex network interactions. NC, or Netcat, is used for testing and debugging, allowing you to create TCP, UDP connections, transfer files, and set up listening servers. IP tables configures firewall rules on Linux systems, enabling you to control incoming and outgoing network traffic and enhance security. TCP flow. This tool captures and analyzes TCP connections, allowing you to reconstruct and view the data transferred over the network, useful for troubleshooting and analysis. Tshark, the command line version of Wireshark. Tshark allows for packet capture and analysis without a graphical interface, making it ideal for automated scripts and remote troubleshooting. MAC changer changes the MAC address of a network interface, which can be useful for privacy purposes or to bypass MAC address filtering on networks. NBT scan, a NetBIOS scanner that discovers Windows machines on a network. NBT scan helps you find devices that might not respond to standard ping requests. IKE scan. This tool is used for VPN fingerprinting and testing, allowing you to discover IKE, Internet Key Exchange, services on a network, useful for security assessments. IPCalc calculates IP network parameters, including subnet masks and broadcast addresses, helping you manage IP address allocations effectively. SSH keygen. Use this command to generate SSH key pairs for secure authentication when connecting to remote systems, enhancing security by avoiding password-based logins. OpenVPN. A widely used VPN server and client software, OpenVPN enables secure, encrypted connections over the internet, providing privacy and access to remote networks. DNS enum. This DNS enumeration tool gathers DNS records, helping you discover subdomains and other DNS information associated with a domain, useful for penetration testing. DNS recon. Similar to DNS enum, this tool performs DNS enumeration, but with a focus on gathering comprehensive information about a domain's DNS records, helping identify potential vulnerabilities. You brain fried yet? I hope not, because we just started scratching the surface. Next, we're getting to the good stuff, the things you're here for, like password hacking and more. Welcome to Tier 2, Aircrack NG, a powerful wireless network security assessment tool that helps you evaluate vulnerabilities. Reaver specializes in brute force attacks against WPS-enabled routers, making it a go-to for gaining access to secure networks. John, an essential password cracking tool that can tackle various encryption methods. Hydra, perfect for executing brute force login attacks across numerous protocols. Metasploit, the ultimate framework for developing and executing exploits, essential for any penetration tester. SQLmap automates SQL injection attacks and can take control of databases with ease. Enum for Linux, useful for gathering information from Windows and Samba systems, giving you an edge in reconnaissance. Nikto, a web server vulnerability scanner that identifies potential security issues. WP Scan, focused on scanning WordPress installations for vulnerabilities, crucial for web security. Derb, scans web content for directories and files, helping you uncover hidden assets. Burp Suite, a comprehensive tool for web application security testing, offering a range of functionalities. Ettercap facilitates man-in-the-middle attacks, allowing for interception of network traffic. Snort, a network intrusion detection system that helps monitor and protect your networks. OpenVAS, an open vulnerability assessment system for scanning and managing security risks. Armitage, a user-friendly graphical interface for Metasploit, simplifying complex tasks. XSSR, targets cross-site scripting, vulnerabilities, a common web security issue. Direbuster, a directory and file brute forcing tool that reveals hidden paths on web servers. Hashcat, an advanced password recovery tool that leverages GPU acceleration for speedy results. Volatility, a powerful memory forensics tool used for analyzing RAM dumps. Autopsy, a digital forensics platform that aids in recovering and analyzing data. GoBuster, another directory and file brute forcing tool that complements your scanning arsenal. Stegcracker, specializes in brute forcing steganography, uncovering hidden messages within images. SS Huddle acts as a VPN-like tunneling tool for seamless network redirection. MITM Proxy intercepts and modifies HTTP/HTTPS traffic for testing web applications. Hash Identifier helps you identify various hash types to better understand stored credentials. SamDump2 extracts password hashes from Windows SAM files, vital for forensic investigations. Airgeddon, a comprehensive wireless auditing framework that enhances your security assessments. MITM6, a man-in-the-middle tool specifically designed for IPv6 networks. Dimitri, an intelligence gathering tool that assists in information enumeration. The Harvester gathers information from public sources such as search engines to build profiles. Binwalk analyzes and extracts files from binary images, useful for embedded device research. Foremost, a file carving tool that aids in data recovery from unallocated space. Scalpel, another powerful file carving and recovery tool to help retrieve lost data. DavTest tests WebDAV-enabled servers for vulnerabilities to strengthen web security. SSLS Scan scans for SSL TLS vulnerabilities, ensuring secure communications. Veil generates undetectable payloads to help you evade antivirus software. Honestly, if you've made it this far, I want to sincerely thank you. You already have everything you need to get started, and you're welcome to leave the video. However, if you're truly aiming to become a God-tier Super Saiyan level hacker, stick around for Tier 3, Bettercap, a powerful man-in-the-middle framework that allows you to intercept, manipulate, and analyze network traffic in real time. It supports various attacks, such as session hijacking and SSL stripping, making it a versatile tool for network security assessments. Ferret, a network data sniffing tool designed to capture and analyze packets on a network. It provides insights into network traffic patterns, allowing users to identify potential security vulnerabilities and monitor network activity. Maltego, an open source intelligence, OSINT, and forensics tool that enables users to gather and visualize data from various sources. It excels at mapping relationships and connections between people, organizations, and online assets, making it invaluable for investigative research. PDF Parser, a tool for analyzing and extracting information information from PDF documents. It helps identify malicious content and vulnerabilities within PDFs, making it useful for digital forensics and malware analysis. MSF Venom, a payload generation tool within the Metasploit framework, used to create custom payloads for various exploitation scenarios. It combines the functionality of MSF Payload and MSF Encode, enabling users to generate payloads in multiple formats. P0F, a passive OS fingerprinting tool that analyzes network traffic to determine the operating systems of devices without sending packets. It's useful for network reconnaissance and security assessments. THC IPv6, a toolkit for conducting IPv6 attacks, offering various tools for network scanning, exploitation, and analysis. It helps security professionals assess vulnerabilities specific to IPv6 networks. ChenTPW, a utility that allows users to change or blank Windows passwords by editing the SAM database directly. It's useful for recovering access to locked Windows accounts during penetration testing. ExploitDB, a comprehensive database of public exploits and vulnerable software. It serves as a valuable resource for security researchers and penetration testers using Metasploit to find and exploit vulnerabilities. Yara, a pattern matching tool designed for identifying and classifying malware samples. It allows users to create custom rules for scanning files and directories, making it a powerful asset in malware analysis. MSFPC, a tool for generating Metasploit payloads that can be easily delivered and executed on target systems. It streamlines the payload creation process for penetration testers. MacRobber, a tool that collects MAC timestamps from files and directories, providing insights into file access and modifications. It's useful for digital forensics and analyzing file system activity. Enumiax, a tool for enumerating information from asterisk PBX systems, allowing users to gather insights into configurations and potential vulnerabilities in voice over IP, VoIP environments. Mimicots, a widely used tool for extracting Windows credentials from memory, allowing security professionals to retrieve plain text passwords, and Kerberos tickets for analysis. Wi-Fi Fisher, an automated Wi-Fi phishing tool that creates fake access points to capture user credentials. It's designed for testing the security of Wi-Fi networks and user awareness. MetaGoofil, a tool that gathers metadata from publicly available documents, providing insights into document authors, software used, and other potentially sensitive information. ReconNG, a web reconnaissance framework that provides a powerful environment for gathering OSINT. It features a modular structure for executing reconnaissance tasks and managing collected data. Sparta, network infrastructure penetration testing tool that streamlines the process of scanning and exploiting network services, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experts. Oh, and one more thing before I go.